What you doing? I'm filming a video. And I didn't hear you knock, Jackie Lily. Remember? I told you to knock every time? Okay. Wow, where'd you get all these awesome dolls? Can I have one, please? Can I? It's my Monster High doll collection. And no, you can't have one. Oh, come on, please. Pretty please. No, please, just go. I want to finish my video. Fine, I'll go. But you have to come down for dinner. It's ready. I didn't want to ruin the surprise, but I'm giving Jackie Lily half of my doll collection. She's my sister, and she's my best friend too. You gotta be nice to your siblings, right? Which dolls do you think I should give Jackie Lily? Tell me down below, and thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks! Bye for now!